Hello guys, welcome back to Non-Bespoke Elegance. This is your old friend Hua An, a Chinese with Western style. And today I bring you a very special unboxing video of this beautiful pair of Allen Edmonds Perugia Tassel Loafer in Oxblood. So let's do the unboxing first.
Welcome to Non-Bespoke Elegance. No fast fashion, only timeless classics. No cheap made, no high price tags. I am your friend, menswear enthusiast, Hua An.
So let's unbox this baby. You can see Allen Edmonds' brand name on the shoebox. Let's open it up. Here we have only one cotton shoe bag with the brand name on it, Allen Edmonds. So let's take them out. So here we go. These are the Allen Edmonds Perugia Tassel Loafer. About 2 months ago, I did an unboxing and review video on this beautiful pair of Perugia Tassel Loafer in navy from Allen Edmonds. I'm a huge fan of Oxblood, or say burgundy color shoes. So I figured out why not to buy another exactly same Perugia model from Allen Edmonds in Oxblood. And they are all share the same lust, same making processes, which are all handmade in Italy. So without further ado, let's dive into the review. Let's talk about the leather quality first. This one again is made in Pebble Grain calfskin in the color burgundy or say Oxblood. The calfskin leather is really high grade. It's so soft and neat. And here we have some detail footage. So we can clearly see the marble effect on the pebble grain leather. And also especially on the toe part, where I applied some wax. I apply wax on that toe part so you can see, give the texture more depth. Another angle here. Marbling effect of the pebble grain is really self-evident. The lining material here is sheepskin, so it's really soft and pliable. You can definitely see the light yellow lining here. It's made out of sheepskin. Now let's talk about the construction. This Perugia Tassel Loafer has a 270-degree Blake stitch method to combine the upper to the insole to the sole. And here we can see clearly on the top of the sole there is no stitch, no threads at all, because it's a Blake stitch. And here on the bottom, you can see there are stitches, and it's an open channel stitch. For the upper construction, we have a very nicely finished hand-sewn apron. So the apron here is hand-sewn, where the craftsman drive holes on the same leather to form that apron, and they are gonna stitch through those holes and pull the threads to form the edge-like apron. And of course, what can a tassel loafer be without tassel? So here we have the dangling tassel here, and the tassel knot which connects the tassel to the upper is a very thin strap, which makes the shoe more sleek. So here we have the dangling tassel here. You can see it combines well with the marble effect, pebble grain. And here we also have the tassel knots in pebble grain. And the top beading on the top line and the shoe ton are made with the same leather. They just fold the leather here. They fold it to form the top beading. So here the top beading part, we can see clearly there are no add-on leather or synthetic materials. It's just the original leather of the upper. They fold that and stitch to the lining. Also, the Perugia Tassel Loafer has a leather sole with a faux rubber heel. So we can see the neutral color of the leather and the brand name Allen Edmonds. Also, the heel is made of rubber to add more tractions. Next, let's talk about aesthetics. So here we have a very traditional English style round toe, but this round toe is pretty sleek and elegant. So here we have a classic round toe. I applied some wax on it. It's a very traditional toe shape. We can tell it's really from a very sleek last, and the overall shape of the shoe is really elegant and dapper. So the last shape is very classic and timeless. Moving towards the side, we have a very sleek, dapper, elegant look with the toe part leaning towards the ground. Overall, a very well-balanced side look here. So a very well-balanced shoe. You can tell clearly from the side look here. We have the toe part stay to the ground closely. And also the tassel here adds more visual details to the shoe. And also we can see the pebble grain even on the side is very obvious. Moving towards the rear quarter here, which is the back of the shoe, we have a very tight heel connected to the upper, which entails this very small gap, no matter you see from side look or you see from the back. So a side look of the heel, the intersection between the heel and the upper, the gap is negligible. So this one is from the back. Again, negligible gap. Besides the very small gap between the heel and the upper, we have a very well-shaped rear quarter that is due to the very solid heel counter between the upper leather and the lining. So here we have a very well-shaped, well-formed rear quarter, the back with a single seam. A even closer look, single seam going through, very traditional stitch, and a very well-shaped back. Moving towards the inner side of the shoe, we have a great arch support, which is this part corresponding to the arch on your foot. The great arch support is due to when the shoe is first lasted, they last the upper to the insole of the shoe tightly. So here, resulting in a very great arch support and also a very slimmer waist. A fantastic arch support. Let me zoom in. You can see the curvature of the sole, curve inside a lot. Another angle here. Great arch support, more comfortable. Although people usually don't pay attention to the bottom of your shoe, but this Perugia Tassel Loafer is handcrafted in Italy, and it does have that very beveled waist, which people prefers. And that beveled waist makes the shoe, no matter from the outer side or the inner side, the shoe looks even more slim and more elevated. So the beveled waist here, let me zoom in, focus. So to build this beveled waist, it does take some time. Now let's talk briefly about how to pair this beautiful Perugia Loafer in Oxblood with different color socks. So for the coming fall, I do think this Oxblood loafer pairs great with red socks, purple or say burgundy socks, light green socks, and dark green socks. And of course, we talk about shoe-pants combination in terms of how to pair this beautiful Oxblood loafer with different kind of pants. So when you dress casual, you can definitely go easy with some light colored chinos, like this one in very light gray or say cream color. Or you can even go with seersucker pant. No matter in spring or fall, that will be a fantastic choice. Not to mention, this Oxblood loafer goes great with light colored jeans. And of course, it goes great with dark colored jeans, or say dark wash jeans. And of course, you can go with suit pants with this Oxblood loafer. This one is a navy stripe, goes great with Oxblood. And also, the color Oxblood or burgundy goes great with gray pants. This one is a gray suit pant. I spent like $160 on this pair, which is a huge discount from their original price of $395. So this one is actually made in Italy. It's very light and very elegant. So that's pretty much for today. I really hope you guys enjoy this one as usual, and I will see you next one.